Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to use the if and ifs function in Microsoft Excel. So here we can see that we have a student details dataset. Now, we want to find out the result of each of the student. In this section, we can see that we have a given condition that if marks is greater than or equals to 40%, then pass, otherwise fail. So we have a given condition, and based on this condition, we want to find out the result of the students. So for this, we will use the if function. Now, how to use the if function? Just press equal sign, then type if. Then we can see that the first component is logical test. Logical test means here we want to put the criteria based on which we want to test the logic. So here our criteria is the marks should be greater than equals to 40. So this is the marks for the first student. So select this cell, type greater equals to 40, then press comma. Then we have to put the value which will be given by the function when this logical test is true. That means whenever this marks is greater than equals to 40%, then what will be the output of this cell? So here we want to type pass within inverted comma. So this is the value which will be returned whenever this logic, that is the marks is greater than equals to 40. Then again press comma. Next we have to write the result or the outcome which will be returned whenever the logical test is false. That is whenever D2 not D2 actually, it's the marks of the corresponding student is less than 40, then what will be the outcome? So the outcome will be fail. So type fail within inverted comma, close the bracket and press enter. So see, for the first student, the marks is 92, which is greater than equals to 40. So the result is pass. Now drag the cursor. So these are the result for each of the students. As we can see that there is no student who got less than 40% marks. So the result for each and every student is pass. So this is how we have to use the if function. Now the second function is ifs function. So we will use the ifs function whenever we have more than one criteria, and based on that criteria, based on those criteria, we want to find out the result. So here we want to find out the grade of each student, and see, here we have given the criteria that a grade for each, this is a grade criteria, that is whenever the marks is greater than equals to 90, then the grade is A plus. Whenever it is greater than equals to 80, then it's A. Whenever it is greater than equals to 70, then B. Greater than equals to 60, then C. Greater than equals to 50, then D, and else it is F. So similarly here, press equal sign, type ifs, then type the logical test 1. Logical test 1 means we have to put the criteria 1. So the criteria 1 is if the marks is greater than equals to 90. So select the mark cell, press greater equals to 90, comma, then value if true 1. That means if this logical, the first logical test is true, then what will be the value? So here the value will be A plus. Now write A plus within inverted comma, then again press comma. Next we have to put the logical test 2. So for the logical test 2, again we have to select this marks cell. Then the second condition is if the marks is greater than equals to 80. So D2 is greater than equals to 80. Again press comma, value if true 2. That means if the second condition is true, then what will be the result? It will be A. Type A within inverted comma. Again press comma. Then the logical test 3. The third condition is if the marks is greater than equals to 70, then it will give B. So again select the cell, mark cell, then greater equal, press greater equal 70, press comma, again type B. Then the fourth condition is if the marks is greater than equals to 60, then again select this cell, type greater equals to 60, press comma, then type the result, that is C within inverted comma, again press comma, then we have to give the fifth condition. What is the fifth condition? The fifth condition is if the marks is greater than equals to 50, then D will be returned. And again select the marks cell, greater equals to 50, press comma, then type D. Now the last and the sixth condition is if the marks is less than 50, then it will return F. So for that we have to select this cell, press less than 50, press comma, and the return value will be F. Close the bracket, press enter. So A plus is the grade for the first student because his marks is greater than equals to 90, that is 92. Now drag this formula. So we can see that for the seventh student, the grade is F. Why? Because he got less than 50 marks. So that is why his grade is F. So this is how we have to use the ifs formula. That and the main difference between if and ifs formula is both are the basic conditional function for in MS Excel, and whenever we have only one condition and based on that we want to find out the result or the outcome, then we will use the if function. And whenever we have more than one criteria and based on those criteria we want to find out our result or the outcome, then we will go for ifs function. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.